What's going on, everyone? It's Real Agent Adam, and you guessed it, I got a new listing that we're bringing to the market for you. This time, we're in North York Borough in Central York School Districts, and I have a beautifully well-maintained, semi-detached, 3-bedroom, 1-bath home for you here. It's got 1,320 square foot above grade. It's got the cutest little backyard that you've ever seen, as well as 2 off-street parking spots. And the best part is how close you are convenience-wise to Route 30 and 83. It's literally just a mile down the road, and all of the shopping district between Roosevelt and Pennsylvania Ave is right here at your fingertips. You honestly can't get a more convenient location than what we already have. So let's go ahead and let's check this thing out.